welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. I'm here to share a what's in my bag. You know what y'all need to do? Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. Before I get to showing you what bag I decided to switch into, I wanted to show you something really quick, you all. Scrolling on TikTok, and this popped up on my TikTok feed, y'all. So I went out looking for one. I've been looking for one, and I finally found the right one, because finding the right one. So I'm like, oh, let me share a video, because y'all, let me tell you something about a purse bowl. I needed a purse bowl until I started watching TikTok. Purse bowl is because if you're a person that likes to switch your bag out, I have a place to like dump all my purse stuff. So when I go to grab a new purse, instead of trying to look through what bag I carried last and what was left in this bag, because before the purse bowl, I was just leaving my stuff in my purses. Go back into each purse and grab what I needed or whatnot. So when I saw this, I'm like, this is genius, okay? Purse in this here bowl, and then when I go to pack my purse again, I could just grab from here, y'all. Switching out of my purses make it so much more easier than having to, like I said, go through the different purses, remember which one I carried and stuff like that. So having this here purse bowl, I'll go and prepare my purse at nighttime, so when I'm ready to go to work, I can just grab it and go. Most of my purse stuff, I'll have to go through like I said, my old bags and just put everything in here, because there's a lot of stuff that I haven't been carrying because it's like out of sight, out of mind. I'm the type of person, I need to see what I have, or it needs to be in my face in order for me to know I have it. That's why it's so hard for me to like put stuff in boxes or put stuff in bags and pouches, because once it's in there, I forget I have it, and then I'll go buy something and be like, oh my gosh, the whole time I had this or I had that. Even with my skincare and my hair care stuff, if I don't see it in my face, I'll forget I have it and won't use it. So that's why I'm trying to do this here idea, because I get to see all the stuff that I normally carry in my purses, so I can just grab what I need. Because there's times that I'll carry a small purse, and then sometimes I'll carry a bigger purse. So today's purse is I had got this, I had this bag a little over 2.5 years. This is the bag I purchased the same year I purchased my car. Purchased this, this bag just had came out. What's the name of this here bag? Let me get the, Carry-All PM. So it's the Carry-All PM, and this is the backpack and that Diana bag, and those two bags I purchased online. And I don't know, something just told me to go in the store, because you know when you purchase luxury items, you get 30 days, and after 30 days that's it. So I was like, let me make sure this is going to be the bag that I want, because I knew that year I wasn't going to be purchasing any bags anymore like that. So I went into the store, and I had my sales associate show me like a lot of different bags, and this particular bag had just came out that year. The reason why I chose this bag was because of the fact that you had got like a detachable pouch, and you also get 4 feet, because a lot of their bags do not come with 4 feet. So you do get 4 feet, and you get like a luggage tag. Particular luggage tags you can get hot stamped, the one that have like the LV on it, because I tried, they was like you can't, I guess because of this, because I was gonna get my initials on the back, but I couldn't get it because, like I said, because of the LV. So my purse bowl is gonna come in handy. So this here we're gonna pack her last, so I'm gonna detach her from the bag. The last time I carried this here bag, the last time I carried her was, okay, it was September 20th, 2024. So that was almost a year ago. If I didn't mention, the inside is that microfiber. You have a zipper pocket, and then you have 2 patch pockets in the back. Before we put anything in the bag, I'm gonna put my Labubu on the side of the bag. Okay, there we go. So here's the Labubu. I'm gonna pull out my Hello Kitty hand sanitizer, a Chanel card case. I still have my Louis Vuitton key pouch, my car keys. I have my Fenty mirror, pimple patches. It is, but when I carry a big bag, I carry everything but the kitchen sink, y'all. I'm gonna carry my other Louis Vuitton pouch, card case, patch pocket. I got some blotting sheets that I got from 5 and Below. Carry my Chanel lotion. Definitely need a pen. I got this here Mickey Mouse pen from Dollar Tree. This here scrunchie. And this here clip for my hair. Fragrance I got hand painted with my name on it. This is everything that I will be putting in this here purse, because like I said, I don't want to overpack it. So now let's go ahead and pack this little cutie right here. I do have some hand soap. These here I got from Dollar Tree. You just got another little fragrance, a nail file that I need to carry now because I don't have on my long acrylic nails anymore. I have my ginger chews, y'all, because when I feel nauseous or feel weird, I'll eat one of these and it'll take it away. We'll bring 2 lip balms, the e.l.f. and my NYX butter gloss. Thing that I will carry in here, like I said, this here is detachable and you can carry it as a wristlet. You can pack with your credit cards or your cell phone and stuff, so when you at work you can just grab this instead of grabbing a whole bag. Because for me, I go outside to eat, bring this here big old purse because I bring a lunch bag and everything to work, so you know that's a lot to carry just to go to lunch. Like I said, it's something good for you to carry. So like I said, if you looking to purchase yourself a new bag, look into bags that have something with something, because I'll purchase something where you get like 2 for 1. Like for instance, you get the bag and you get the pouch, full tote, and you get a pouch. Now the never full pouch is of course a little bigger, but not that much bigger. It's made the same where it's like flat, but extra piece. And it's I'm not sure how many other bags are like that. I cannot carry a Speedy without a strap. Like if you looking to buy a Speedy, girl, I'm telling you, pay the extra money to get the strap and you would thank me later, because that's one of them bags that, yeah, it look cute in the crook of your arm, but let me tell you something, you are going to get tired of carrying that bag in the crook of your arm. Say if you looking to purchase it, pay the extra money, get the strap, get the strap, get the strap, get the strap. So I do have the D ring right here. 8 codes used to be like in the inside of the bag, like all in the corner and stuff. Like they not like that anymore inside of the bag. So when you go to take it to the store, they scan it to make sure it's real. And y'all, after seeing both sides, I get it, okay? Because some of the bags I'll be like, okay, where this come from? Like y'all, yeah, y'all making Louis Vuitton work, okay? Because I'm just like, yeah. And I have a zipper pocket and I'm okay with that, because I'm that always have my bags open. Even like my Speedy, when I carry my Speedy, it's always open. I don't know why. It's not the safest thing, y'all, so I know, but I don't know, I just like to have my bags open. And when I carry it, I don't carry this as a shoulder bag, I carry this as a crossbody. Carry it like so, maybe once or twice on my shoulder, but majority of the time I carry this as a crossbody. And when you get this bag, this is not tied like this. I watch when I was watching unboxing, because anytime I get something, I always watch unboxings and videos and reviews, and someone showed me how to, well, not someone, but I watched a video and they showed me how to tie the bag, and I actually like this look versus just like, you know, having a strap just hanging across the bag. Like if you have this bag, let me know your thoughts, because I had it for going on, like I said, 3 years, and I still love the bag. I just been like rotating my bags a lot, but I truly love this hair bag. And if I didn't mention just this bag, it did come pre-treated, So that's another thing that Louis Vuitton is doing now, like pre-treating the bags. Because back when I was heavy into purchasing Louis Vuitton, they were not treating your handbag, so you had to like wait for it to darken, and then you know you would get that Apple Guard where you would protect your leather. I mean, you still can use the Apple Guard to protect the leather, because this bag of course is all canvas and certain parts of the bag is leather. Do know on this particular bag the price did go up. That's why I'm so happy that I got the bags that I got when I did, because y'all, the prices of the bag, because even like when I bought my Artsy, I had that Artsy for a long time. I paid like $1,800 for that bag before taxes. I think now that Artsy is like a little over $2,000, and I'm like, yeah, y'all, prices is just so crazy now. My bag that I am looking to carry for maybe a few weeks. I love my purse bow. Oh, if I didn't mention, I did get my purse bow from Ross. It was $12.99. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods after work, and I could not find the right purse bow. And when I found this, I was like, let me get it. It was only 2 left, and when I tell you, I grabbed this because I knew I wanted like a big wide bowl, because I know I have a lot of stuff. Wanted to make sure everything could fit in this here purse bowl. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to get on here really quick and let y'all know I am carrying my, what is it, Carry-All PM that I ended up switching into, y'all. So if y'all enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.